continuing with the inclination part. So this is magnetic meridian and this is the horizontal, and let's say that this is the magnetic field line going at this angle with the horizontal. Fine. Thank you. Now, if there is a field line like this or magnetic field like this, you can have two components. Which two? One vertical and one horizontal. So, let's do that. So, the horizontal component will be pointing towards magnetic north always. I hope you like why. And magnetic meridian है ना, तो ये एक side जो है magnetic south, this side magnetic north. So, magnetic field horizontal component that I am writing as BH. What is it? BH, horizontal field. And here vertical field ऊपर आते हैं. Do you realize why? Yes or no? Okay, we get a nice little right angle triangle with very easy and important formula. What formula? Clearly, B is equal to under root BB square plus BH square. I don't think anyone has any problem. Yes or no? Next. Sin I is equal to BB by B. Clear? Okay. Alternatively, cos I is equal to BH by B and tan I is equal to BB by BH. These are the most important formulas of this topic. बहुत agree. बराबर नहीं? I mean, really unbelievable how tough they are. You cannot even remember them. Is it fine? Yes or no? Okay. Right. Now, going over to the next thing. What if the field line is dipping below the horizontal? Then what will be the difference? BB will be समझे ना? हम नीचे बात तो सुने. BB would be vertically downward. Did you get that? Here BB vector is vertical upward. Clear everything? Okay. So anybody decide whether the field line is going down or going up, depending on BB value or whether it's going upward. Okay. Now. Three important things. First, at Mn, I is equal to minus 90 degrees. So that you can say that it is 90 degree dip. But at Ms, I is equal to plus 90 degree inclination, that is 90 degree inclination upwards. Okay. We are downward. And third, at magnetic equator, I is equal to 0. What that means is that BB is 0 and B vector is horizontal. Go back to that diagram of ours. खाली magnetic pole से draw करो जो. Is this fine? अब देखो ना, magnetic field lines come out from magnetic south pole. याद है वो? आपने? So here and here they go inside. Agreed? तो आप point पर सुन रहे हैं. Field lines are going into the earth. Perpendicular to the earth surface. समझे ना? Vertical करेगा. Is it perpendicular to earth surface? If it's vertical, समझे? That's what is happening over here. The field lines come out from here, they go around, and here they enter the earth almost perpendicular, nearly perpendicular. Did you get that? Yes or no? So half point पर सुधा magnetic north और inclination is minus 90. Minus 90 to come like indicating upward angle positive and downward angle negative. समझाए क्या? Minus 90, that is 90 degree dip. ये वाला क्या? घनी बार है ना plus minus नहीं लगे. Don't worry about that. Okay, समझ जाओ कि dip से के inclination. कहीं लगे लो. Fine, everything clear? Okay, પછી at magnetic south, what happens? The magnetic field lines come out. So from ground they go towards the sky. Did you get it? So the inclination is plus 90 degrees. Got it? Side માં શું લખ્યું છે સમજાય છે ને? અહીંયા magnetic field downwards. Downwards એટલે going towards the earth. Vertically downwards. અહીંયા magnetic field upwards. And then another interesting thing is right on the equator. Suppose this is an imaginary bar magnet. I know south pole kehવાય બરાબર ને અહીંયા નો north pole. What is meaning of equator? You take 2 points as poles and એને exactly bisect કરી નાખે. That's called equator. Correct? Yes. So poles આમ નથી tilted in the draw કર્યા. So magnetic equator એ કેવો આવશે? Tilted. Did you understand? Yes. Yes or no? Sure. Okay. Or you can say another thing. See, a bar magnet imaginary. Where is its equator? Perpendicular bisector and equator can go. I am equator line. But you realize that can be drawn in every direction. I'm fair with the one. Yes or no? So it will make a circle. That circle is called what? Magnetic equator. That's different from geographical equator. Alright? Everything clear? Alright? Fine. Now, so what happens at that point is that dV is 0 and V is horizontal. Why so? Let's see. Suppose I take this point, which is on the equator of this bar. Formula of magnetic field on equator of a bar magnet. You remember that? Yes. Minus V0/4pi. M vector upon R. Correct? M vector is in which direction? For this bar magnet, M vector is in which direction? Towards the magnetic south, correct or not? For a typical bar magnet, the magnetic moment is from its south pole to its north pole, correct? આમ આવશે ને? Everybody? Yes. Sure? Alright. So what I can say is that we know that for this particular bar magnet, the magnetic moment is this blue here shown like this. આ point છે એ આ bar magnet ના equator. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sure. Everyone gets that? So on the equator, the magnetic field is in opposite direction to magnetic moment. Correct or not correct? Yes. Formula याद करो. Minus આવે ને E on equator minus mu0/4pi m vector by r cube. Correct? So on the equator, the direction of magnetic field is opposite to this. એટલે opposite આમ છે તો ઊંધું બનાવું તો આમ આવશે. Do you realize this? Yes. It will be parallel to earth. સમજાય છે? It will be parallel to earth. Okay, that can be explained easily by basic geometry also. Suppose this is a circle. એટલે આ sphere હોય એને તમે આમ જો તો એ circle જેમ થાય ઉપરથી magnetic moment આમ છે. અને આ પોઈન્ટ અહીંયા છે એક્ઝેક્ટલી પરપેન્ડિક્યુલર ટુ ધીસ. તો હવે આમ આવશે ને magnetic field. So we realize magnetic field is tangent to this circle. Magnetic field is tangent to the circle. એટલે અહીંયા આમ આવશે. Tangent to the earth નો meaning શું થાય? Horizontal થાય. You realize that? Yes. Yes or no? જો હું આને ટેન્જન્ટ ટુવર્ડ્સ નહીં કહું. આ પેન અહીંયા ગ્રાઉન્ડ ઉપર કે ક્યાંક મૂક્યો છે તો આને ટેન્જન્ટ ટુવર્ડ્સ કહેવાય, નોર્મલ ટુવર્ડ્સ કહેવાય. યસ ઓર નો? તો ટેન્જન્ટ ટુવર્ડ્સ કોને કહેવાય? આમ પાડી દો તો ટેન્જન્ટ ટુવર્ડ્સ. Did you get that? So this pen is horizontal. Agreed? So at the magnetic equator, what do we have? The magnetic field is horizontal. સમજાણું? If the field is horizontal, now ઉપર એને નીચે નહીં. So how much is the angle of inclination? 0. Got it completely? Sure. So એવું યાદ રહેશે ને, where is the inclination 0? At the magnetic equator. All points on magnetic. આખું એક circle બધું. Right? Everywhere around on earth on that line. Fine? સમજ પડી ગયા એટલું? ત્રણ યાદ રહેશે ને? Okay? Okay, what is the maximum value of inclination possible? 90. And the minimum value is 0. આમ જો તો -90 કહેવાય, but just in the angle value it is 90 and 0. Is it fine? બાકી upward જશે, downward જશે, એવું બધું possible છે. Right. Now next question. In which part of earth will field lines be going into the earth? The northern hemisphere. Someday say yes or no, they love enough. For points north of magnetic equator. For points north of magnetic equator, field lines dip into the earth. પહેલા આગળ જતા પહેલા તેને તો મીનિંગ તમને સમજાણો. What have we written? That north of this magnetic equator, what happens is that the field line will be going inside. Usually, field line અહીંથી આમ બહાર નીકળીને આ બાજુ જતું. Do you get that? Magnetic equator પર શું થાય? Exact horizontal. એનાથી હજી આમ ઉપરની સાઈડ જાઓ તો field lines dip થવા મળશે. Do you realize what I'm saying? Correct or not?
Yes.
Sure. Clear? કેમ એવું છે? Because here you are getting plus 90 degree dip. ધીરે ધીરે અહીંયા આમ જશો so the field lines will become steeper and steeper dipping inside the earth. Got it? Clear? Because they are coming out from this and then they are going into this. Here. આનો ઊંધો સેન્ટેન્સ લખતા આવડશે? શું આવે? Yes. 4 points south of the magnetic equator, field lines will come out or will be inclined upwards from earth. 4 points south of the magnetic equator, field lines will be inclined upwards from the surface. Upward. Ready? Okay. Now, let's talk a little bit about two instruments which are used to measure declination and measure inclination. Magnetic declination, magnetic inclination. Let's see. Suppose you consider first instrument magnetic compass. Okay, magnetic compass. So what is a magnetic compass? It is first of all always to be used in a horizontal plane. Rotates in a horizontal plane. Rotates in horizontal plane, and axis is vertical. Rotates in horizontal plane and axis is vertical. So we have drawn a diagram earlier. This is fairly similar to that. What happens is if you put a needle, and it's true north arm there. Do you remember what true north? Let's say true north is in that direction, but magnetic north is a little bit on the side. So our needle true north baju nahi hai. It will point towards magnetic north because field lines are going in that direction. It will always try to get aligned like that. So what happens because of it is that when you use this compass, our compass needle always rotates in the horizontal plane. And where is the axis? My finger is the axis there. So that axis will be vertical. Clear? And આ શું છે ખબર છે? આ top view. When you see it from the top, you're going to see that the needle remains like this. અહીંયા આવશે north, અહીંયા આવશે south. So angle between where the needle is pointing angle between where the needle is pointing and the true north or geographic north, that is called nothing but declination. સમજાણું ને? એનો સમજાણું. Sure, because true north might be that way, but needle is pointing, let's say 30 degrees this way. તેનો મતલબ કે true north આમ છે અને આ magnetic meridian આમ છે. એ બે વચ્ચે angle બનશે, that angle is 30. Next, deep needle or deep circle. ये एक જ હોય, અને થોડોક એનો કન્સ્ટ્રક્શનમાં ડિફરન્સ છે, બાકી વર્કિંગ એન્ડ પ્રિન્સિપલ એન્ડ એવરીથિંગ સેમ. ડન? આ થઈ ગયું ને? So what is dip needle? Obviously, નામથી ખબર પડે. Dip needle is instrument used to measure dip. Declination છે ને measure થાય compass થી કરી શકાય, but it cannot be measured using dip needle. એને એક કહી દેવા. Now, rotates in a vertical plane. પછી બ્રેકેટમાં ખાસ લખજો. Mostly magnetic meridian means most of the time that vertical plane is which plane? Magnetic meridian. Rotates in a vertical, not in a horizontal, right? And has horizontal axis. Okay, what's the axis of this? Horizontal. કેના જેવું હોય? Simple example આપી દો. Suppose you take a plane vertical એની પર આમ ટોટલ એક axis હશે, એક nail જેવું ફિક્સ કરીને આમ રાખી, and now this can rotate like this. You understand what I'm saying? So it will rotate in a vertical, arm नहीं, arm, right? So it's rotating in a vertical plane, clear? And its axis is horizontal.
compass ને આડો કરી દઈએ.
Good question. Compass ને આડો કરી નાખીએ તો theoretically yes, practically it doesn't work. એનું reason સમજાવો. પહેલા draw કરો diagram, પછી સમજાવો. Okay. So what will it look like? Deep circle હોય ને તો એવું હોય, generally deep circle માં છે ને આમ બાર protractor જેવું આમ scale આપેલી. You understand that? બાકી અંદર જે working છે તો same જ છે. So this is just like an aid. It helps you measure things quickly. બરાબર? Okay. What does it look like? અહીંયા axis હશે. And here is that needle. Right? Already. It will align itself in one direction at one angle with the horizontal. This is horizontal. What this dotted line? Horizontal. And a magnetic field line, that would be at some angle. So because of that, it will align like that. समझाओ? And this angle is called inclination. Have you understood this or not? No. So पहला तो मैं experiment करो. And let's say you have kept it horizontal, right? And you let it go. But here at this place, suppose magnetic field lines are going up like this. Then what will this needle try to do? It will try to get aligned with the magnetic field line. Every dipole tries to get aligned with the field line. So the multi-line arm there. The needle અત્યારે આમ રાખી દે તો શું થશે? The needle will try to turn and become this thing. Got it? Get aligned. આમ રાખી હશે ને, at start of experiment it is horizontal, but afterwards it will tilt like this. અને જે angle પર tilt થઈ જાય એ આપણે measure કરી લેવાનું. That angle is nothing but inclination or dip. નીચે જાય તો dip, ઉપર જાય તો inclination. એના માટે કઈ નવો instrument ની જરૂર નથી. આમ જાય તો આમ, ફૂટે સરખું જ છે. Did you understand this? Completely clear how to use this one, right? Okay. But like I said, typically this is used in a magnetic મેરિડિયન. બરાબર, આ વર્ટિકલ પ્લેન જે ડ્રો કર્યું છે that is generally the magnetic meridian. નો હોય તો શું થાય, then you have to act smart, right, and do some more calculations and find out the difference. Okay, it's not impossible to use, but the easiest use is when you put this vertical plane, or you take this vertical plane where you are allowing this to rotate. As which plane? Magnetic plane. Now બીજા plane માં હોય તો થઈ જાય, not a problem, but you'll have to do more calculation. Directly value નહીં આવે, કંઈક બીજું calculation કરવું પડશે. For that calculation we are going to see it in one of the songs later. Right? Have you understood this? Yes. Sure. So suppose you take this deep needle all the way to, let's say, magnetic north. So થાય, there the field lines are going directly vertically downward. So you need an arm of this. If you get there, yes or no? And a magnetic south ले जाओ तो arm ऊपर ले जाए. Understood? Sure. And at equator, magnetic equator, it will remain horizontal. આમ કરશો તો આમ થઈ જશે, આમ રાખશો તો પછી આમ થઈ જશે. Is it fine or not? Sure, because there the field lines are going horizontal. Everything clear? Absolutely. Fine. So that's about magnetic. That's about the dip needle or the disturbance. Okay. So I also have lots of roots question. First I love here. So if you take a compass and you let it free, the rotate first and then it will settle in one particular direction. That direction itself will be the magnetic meridian. Something again. You know something? Because magnetic field lines are going from magnetic south to magnetic north in the magnetic meridian. એ જે compass દેખાડે, that itself is the magnetic meridian. Okay. તો ફોન માં compass આપણે યુઝ કરી એક પ્લેન માં ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ માટે વર્ટિકલ પ્લેન બનાવવું પડે. સપોઝ મેગ્નેટિક મેડિયમ આ રૂમ માં આમ ત્રાંસુ આવ્યો, હવે શું કરો? You understand what I am saying? Walls તો એવી રીતે છે નહીં, તો પકડીને ઊભા રહો તો મેજર થાય જ નહીં ને, કઈ હલહલી કરે તો બરાબર મેજરમેન્ટ ન આવે. તો સપોઝ you have it slanting, એવું અહીંયા હશે મોસ્ટ લાઇકલી, એ રૂમ આમ બરાબર નોર્થ સાઉથ ઈસ્ટ વેસ્ટ એવી રીતે તો ન બનાવ્યો. Correct or not? So for example, let's see what's the direction of north here. So right now it's showing that the direction of north is not this way but slightly that way. Right? એનો તો કીધું કે આમ એક્ઝેક્ટ આમ નોર્થ નથી, એપ્રોક્સિમેટલી સ્પીકિંગ compared to, right? એટલે આ નોર્થ થોડું આમ દેખાય. Now I'm getting a little concerned about it direction. હવે આમ દેખાય. Calibrate કરવું પડે ને આને. Pause it. So in an actual compass it won't work that way. Reason is you would have seen that a compass typically would be something like this. How do you? A compass have arrow here. Have you seen it or not? Yes. It's actually designed to be rotated only in the horizontal plane. Vertical my problem hai. The problem is gravity. The problem in vertical plane is gravity. What do I mean? Is that if you would consider this needle and you want to rotate it in vertical plane, so एक side heavy no होगी. You understand what I'm saying? Suppose left side is heavy. So arm રાખો તો એની મેળે જ આમ થઈ જશે. It doesn't even need a magnetic field. Clear or not? और बैठी ने balance तो हो जाए ने. When can you use something to measure it vertically? આ બે side equally heavy હોય તો જ થાય ને. એક બાજુ બહુ માસ હોય ને એક બાજુ ન હોય તો એમને પણ આમ થઈ જાય. Do you get it? Yes. Okay, so that's not a proper instrument. So this is why magnetic compasses are slightly different from magnetic needles. But in principle, it should work in theory. But it will only work when both the sides are exactly balanced. તો થઈ જાય. But generally that's not the case. કારણ કે horizontal માં rotate કરવા માટે એનું કઈ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ જ નથી. બહુ તો શું થાય needle થોડી આમ થતી એવું જોયું જ હશે કદાચ. When you try to use a compass, આમ say હલતી હોય તો ભલે ન હોય એના શું work કરે. Right? We are concerned about rotations this way, not about this way. You get it? પણ ઈ જ વસ્તુ જ્યારે તમે આમ કરશો એક બાજુ હેવી હશે તો સીધું આમ જ થઈ જશે. Clear? So it will not give a proper measurement. Right? Fine. So that's why they are meant to be a little bit different. બાકી કઈ પ્રિન્સિપલ માં કઈ ડિફરન્સ છે નહીં. બધું એક જ છે. Correct. All right. Fine. Have you understood this completely? Okay. Let's solve some textbook questions. This topic is over. See, sums કરી દો તો એક બે definitions બહુ નાની નાની છે એ લખાવી દે. બુકમાં નથી આવી. Example. 6, 7, so 7 तो theory है 6 okay example 5.8 right on there page number 186 the earth's magnetic field at the equator is approximately 0.4 Gauss so what is it saying this is what suppose here is that giant bar magnet at the equator means at this point did you get it how much is the magnetic field here on the equator 0.4 Gauss क्या कहते हैं Gauss 1 Gauss is how many Tesla minus 4 Tesla right so B equator is this one based on this what do we have to find the magnetic moment of समझानो M find करना है So consider this like a bar magnet. This point is on equator. Formula use करो तो देखो. Mu 0 by 4 pi magnitude of M upon R cube. R means what? Distance of this point from the center. तो आप ये बताइए कितना distance के भाई? Radius of Earth. समझे थे? इनको समझाओ. Yes, no. Small r is nothing but radius of Earth. And that is equal to 0.4. Everything clear? હવે શું કરવાનું? મુશ્કેલ છે value. તો કાઢો ના ફટાફટ. It will be a giant value of course.
U0 कितने था पर और कैसे करेंगे
Sorry.
U0 inside or different
Inside or outside? This point is not inside, right?
अंदर पे पण आवाज magnetic
This is correct.
effective है
Although we are considering that what you are saying is true to some extent that the magnetic field will come from the materials inside. But what you should understand is that here we are considering this like a bar magnet, which is an approximate model, isn't it? Then, so there is nothing exact about this calculation. There is nothing exact. So this is just an order value that we are getting 10 raised to something. That's actually the most important. Right? So in fact, Earth's magnetic field is not so simple. Not so simple as in એવું નહીં કે બાર magnet જેવું જ આમ there are some weird patterns also in within the magnetic field. એટલે ઘણીવાર એવું થાય કે એક જગ્યાએ ઓછું હોય બાજુમાં વધારે હોય because of local effect. Local effect કોને કહેવાય? What Earth is made up of here, its composition, it affects the magnetic field. Suppose વધારે પડતું iron હોય, then it might cause a stronger magnetic field. એવી રીતે make sense એટલે આપણે જે ભણીએ છે is a very simplified version of the actual version the actual one is quite complicated એટલે આ તો ખાલી approximately આવું આવે એવું છે બીજું કઈ આ ક્વેશ્ચન નો મીનિંગ નથી Earth radius આવડે છે મોટે 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter એનો ક્યુબ કરવાનો. Okay, how many of you have finished? Right, very good. પછી એક્ઝામ્પલ 5.9 વાંચીને ડ્રો કરવા માંડજો એનો ડાયાગ્રામ. ચલો એક્ઝામ્પલ 5.9. Okay. I'm going to start with it now. Let's see what the question says. In calculation बाकी है तो कुछ देते हैं. In the magnetic meridian of a certain place, horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field is 0.26 Gauss. So, if we draw the magnetic meridian, in this magnetic meridian we are seeing that horizontal component Vx. How much is it given? 0.26 Gauss. Alright. Then it's also given that the dip angle is 60 degree. Dip angle. Dip तो ऊपर ड्रॉ करो नीचे ड्रॉ करो. नीचे नहीं आम होते हैं. Did you understand? Clear? And this is vertical component here. Like this. And BV will be downward. Got it? Above. Right? Motor diagram draw कर जो मान लीजिए बोलना पता है. Now, what's the question? What is the magnetic field of Earth at this location? એટલે શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે? V. Clear? Oh, location. Dip angle is given. I is equal to 60 degree. Minus minus अपन इधर नहीं हो पाएंगे. जवाब जरूर. Okay, and we want to find B. कराने जरूर है. ठीक है? पूरी होमवर्क ना बेहतर बोल लो.
Sir, I minus 60 का जो आंसर होगा but it I minus 60 I'm not quite better.
આ તો કઈ લખવાની જરૂર તો છે ને આપણને ડાયરેક્શન તો ખબર છે કે બીવી ડાઉન જ્યારે sin 60 લો ત્યારે માઈનસ હા એટલે માઈનસ પછી ડાયરેક્શન ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે બીજું કાંઈ છે ને એમાં આ તો એકદમ સિમ્પલ બેઝિક છે. ઓકે questions 10 and 11. 10, 11, 12. Exercise questions 10, 11, 12. Our homework. Done? You're looking at who? Question solve થઈ ગયો. Let's solve question 8. 7 થઈ ગયો છે ને સેટનો ડાઉટ નથી પડે. Sure. Exercise ની વાત કરું છું. Okay, exercise question 8. Not that it is tough or anything. બરાબર? પણ થોડો અલગ છે તો જરા clarification તમને થઈ જશે. Exercise question 8. A closely wound solenoid of 2000 turns. So what's there? Solenoid. Alright. How many turns are there? 2000. Area of cross section. How much is area of cross section? 1.6 is minus 4. Carrying a current of 4 amp. Is suspended to its center, allowing it to turn in a horizontal line. And I know this is right. Again, for a winding that is suspended by using a spring. What? Pendulum. so that it can rotate in the horizontal. સમજાણું ને? All right, it can rotate like this. Swing not કરવાનું pendulum ની જેમ, ખાલી rotate જ કરવાનું. What is its magnetic moment? એવું કીધું છે first part. Small m, formula બોલો. M vector is NI A vector. So here magnitude only, so NI A. Correct or not? How many dots? Color given. Area given. B part. चलो. Let's get to business. बराबर B. A મૂકી દેજો, ન થયો. B part. What is the force and torque on the solenoid if a uniform horizontal field of 7.5 to 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla is set up at an angle of 30 degree with the axis of solenoid? Okay, time to imagine. Solenoid is horizontal. And with the magnetic field that is also horizontal. But at what angle? 30 degree. At the top view, suppose this is the solenoid from the top. Then magnetic field will be like this. समझाणो के नहीं? आ external field है, आ solenoid to both field नाम में जाए, आडू फाटे. What the angle between these two? आ समझाएगा? Diagram के ना समझाणो. Angle between magnetic field of, angle between external magnetic field and solenoid axis is 30 degree. Clear? Okay. We find together. Question answer. Total force and torque acting on solenoid. What do you think? Force. Force. Okay, solenoid behaves like a dash. Bar magnet. Okay, so a bar magnet is suppose. So we question to the force acting on a bar magnet inside uniform magnetic field. Zero. Zero or not zero? Yes. Force acting on a dipole in uniform electric field. याद आयु? बाकू. समझाणो है कि न समझाणो? सेम જ પ્રિન્સિપલ ને. બાર મેગ્નેટ એટલે શું? ડાયપોલ જ કહેવાય ને. એનો કહેવાય બાર મેગ્નેટ. Everyone understand what I am saying? એટલે આ બે એક જ છે. So total force acting on it is reason समझेंगे बराबर. It is a magnetic dipole or a bar magnet placed in uniform magnetic field. Fine. Okay. So torque find करना है भाई. इसे कराए. M B sin theta. What theta? 30 degree. Sure? Or not sure? How do you? Again, this part B is based on the analogy that solenoid and bar magnet are equivalent or they behave the same. Fine. Yeah, થોડું અલગ હતું ને એટલે કરે. નિસલ ફોર્મ્યુલા મૂકવાની જામ સમજાય તો સીધી ફોર્મ્યુલા મૂકવાની. તમને કીધું આપણે આજે આપણું બધું એવું જ છે. Okay. Do we have time now? Not so much. ચલો વાત નહીં આટલું બહુ